So, talking a little bit more about compound interest. What is $5,000 invested for 10 years at 10% compounded annually? The future value of the investment is $12,968.71. It is the accumulated value of investing $5,000 for 10 years at a rate of 10% compound interest. That's quite a high rate, but it does happen at times. I think on average the stock market's average about 8 or 9%. I think 9%. So, it can happen. The magic of compound interest is very evident when you keep adding money to your investment. So essentially your principal and your interest is going up, assuming the interest rate stays at 10%. But even if it's 8% or 7%, that's still very, very good. Just at 7%, what is it? I think you double your money in not a very long time. I don't have the figures right in front of me or calculate in my head, but it's like magic. So yeah, keep investing at a regular time, keep disciplined, and experience the magic of compound interest.